Good morning. Today we need to replace a strip of decking that warped, and so you can see this piece right here is warped. And so we took this already up from this side over here. So I'm going to measure it out and cut it, and you can use these principles on any cutting to get little small projects completed that you want done around the house. So first thing we do, I've already measured the piece that needs to be measured, but I'm going to measure it again because you always measure twice, cut once. So the first measurement was 91 1/4. And I'm double checking it, and it's 91 1/4. So now we're going to go ahead and measure this again. Measured once, now I'm measuring it twice. It's a rule in the industry that you measure twice, cut once. That's 91 1/4. I usually have a pencil because it's better to have a pencil in case you make a mistake. Just like in school when you teach your children, never use pen. At least I do. Never use pen. 91 1/4. All right. All right. So now take this. What's the best way to do this? All right. Just gotta try this cord again. Next thing you want to do is have your safety glasses on, but I must have left them in the truck. At least I'll have glasses on. But you want to at least have some type of eye protection. Want that to drop, but no one's down there. Now, right there, look, fit perfect, fit perfect. Now you want to make sure you undo this because safety is the overriding priority in any job. You just want to move things out of the way. And now, this is pressure treated, and you just want to make sure everything lines up. I need my pencil. So you got to make sure that the decking is here. One and up. 1, 2, and anchors. Are 2.5 inch exterior galvanized patio deck. So you want to make sure you use nails that are weatherproof. We're going to just put a few starter screws in. I'm looking to see how everything was already, and it's got a lip here because it's coming out here. So I'm making sure that I want to do the same thing as over here. So everything looks right. It's coming out to the edge. Lined up. Just like the other ones. Flush. Now I could have used screws, but these have the ridges inside of it, so this is better. If this was high traffic, I probably would have used screws. Now, this is what you call a toenail. So I've got to take this and get it into here because I don't want to damage this siding here. So I'm going with what they call a toenail. So you see how the angle here? So that's going to go flush just like that. I'm going to back it up just a little bit. I'm going to go put 2 over here because it's not necessary to put all those in like that. Alright, we're almost done. I'm over here in the corner. There isn't a post here like here, so I'm going to do 4 toenails because there's really no support here. So I need to do at least about 4. Get it right there. I'm gonna go right next to it. Just enough. Look at that. Now we're gonna save these. These are a couple of that are still good. We'll hold on to those because later we need to at least stain and treat this deck because the original installer didn't do it. So as the homeowner expressed to me that it needs to be done. Knock those down so nobody won't cut themselves. All right, and there we go. It's already pressure treated, so what we can do if the homeowner wishes to treat the whole deck to protect it from coming loose and being stressed. We'll see if he wants to go ahead and treat that. Thanks for your time. This is OB Carpenter.